Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kumar Nilesh Charts Tero of Study Point. My dear friends, today we have to discuss about photoelectric effect. Okay, we don't take more time. Okay, we come direct on this topic. Okay, what is photoelectric effect? Okay, photoelectric effect is the phenomena in which high frequency incident light when falls on the surface on the metal, so then due to high frequency electrons start to emitted from the surface of the metal. This is called photoelectric effect. Okay, so my dear friends, come now, understand. Okay, through this figure. Okay, you can see here, this is incident light. Okay, this incident light when falls on the surface of the metal, here you can see this is metal. Okay, this is metal surface. Okay, you can see here, and here you can see electrons inner part, that is electron. Okay, electron is emitting, okay, from the surface of metal. This is electron. Okay, ejected photoelectron. Okay, when incident light falls on the surface of the metal, okay, so then electrons, this is electrons started to emitted from the surface. Okay, this is surface, from the surface of the metal. Okay, so then it is called photoelectric effect. Okay, we understand. Okay, by definition. Okay, photoelectric effect. Okay, when radiation of high frequency are incident on the surface of a metal, okay, then electrons start to emitted from the surface of the metal. This phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. Okay, here incident light is ultraviolet ray. Okay, ultraviolet light. when falls on the metal, so then electrons start to emitted from the surface of the metal. Okay. In such condition, the electrons from the surface of the metal are known as photoelectrons. Okay. We have shown above figure, you can see here ejected electron or emitted electron, photoelectron. Okay. Here photoelectrons are emitted from the surface of the metal. Okay. And current flowing due to it is called photoelectric current. Okay. My dear friends, we have talked about photoelectric effect. Okay. What is photoelectric effect? Photoelectric effect is a phenomena in which high frequency light are incident on the surface of the metal. Then electrons start to emit it from the surface of the metal. Okay. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. Okay. Photoelectrons, that electrons emitted from the surface of the metal, that is called photoelectrons, and currents flowing due to it is called photoelectrons. Okay. My dear friends, if you think this video is useful for us, so please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. If you support me, then I could make more videos for you. Okay. We will meet in next video. Till now, take care. Thank you. Okay.